Good evening. My name is Samir Parekh. I am from Kolhapur, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I was regularly walking for about 4 to 5 kilometers in the last many years, but recently, about 2 months back, while walking for about 1.5 to 2 kilometers, I used to find some slight chest pain in the slight chest pain. When I used to stop for about 30 seconds to a minute, it used to subside, and then after that I could again walk for maybe a kilometer or two again. But this was getting repeated, these instances were getting repeated almost every time when I used to go for a walk, or even whenever I used to walk in the society in Kolhapur. So then I referred to our family doctor, and he suggested to me to get my blood reports done and the treadmill test to be conducted. So accordingly, we conducted those treadmill tests and the blood reports were taken. The TMT test, the cardiologist, he suggested that there was some changes in the ECG, so he recommended an angiography to be done. Actually, I had no other problems. I had no other comorbidities. I am not hypertensive, nor am I diabetic. I'm a non-alcoholic, non-smoker. So I was a little bit confused why this angiography was recommended. But despite all that, with my family pressure and all that, I got my angiography done about a week back. And after the angiography was done, the doctor over there in Kolhapur recommended the bypass surgery because my LAD was almost 90% blocked and it was calcified, and it was a difficult procedure for angioplasty to be done. So most of the surgeons to whom we contacted, they suggested an angioplasty to be done, the bypass to be done. I am only 55, so we had a lot of discussions within our family members, with our friends and all, and that's when the name of Dr. Ravinder Rao, who had conducted a TAVI operation on one of our relatives, Mr. Vijay Bhai Shah, his name came up. So subsequently we talked with Mr. Govind, Miss Shilpa, and then finally I had almost a long 30-minute to 45-minute telephonic discussion with Dr. Rao, which is when I got a pretty good confidence that my problem could be sorted out with angioplasty. And I think he is one of the renowned cardiologists who is famous for complex angioplasties. So that's when we took a call that we will go ahead with angioplasty in Jaipur at Rajasthan Hospital. When we came here on 13th, accordingly, after the appointment was fixed, we came here on 13th evening, and I was taken up for the procedure on 14th. And it went off well. I was pretty confident that it would be done well because I had a lot of confidence in the doctor, and I had heard a lot of good reviews. We had seen good reviews on the internet also, so I was pretty confident. And now it's my third day after the procedure and I'm feeling quite well. I was taken for 30-minute walk today, and I was asked, the doctor accompanied me for almost 2 floors, walking down the staircase and climbing back again up to give me the confidence that the procedure is done well, that you're functionally now okay, and that's really helped me help remove all my concerns. And the last thing what I would like to say that all the supporting staff, the supporting doctors, nurses are so compassionate, and they are here, and I think they will live to their mission, that almost all of them want to ensure that the patient undergoes minimum pain, minimum difficulty, and they get well as soon as possible. So I really am very satisfied with the service that I got at Rajasthan Hospital, and I have full faith in Dr. Rao that for the treatment he has given to me, and I would definitely recommend to other patients to give a thought as an option to surgery. Thank you.